Hi guys, so today I wanted to share with you a little product that I use pretty much every day on site, and that's the Wago Junction Boxes. They're a fantastic little piece of kit because you can use them in any situation where it's not accessible for maintenance, so under floorboards and ceiling voids, etc. And they're just a great little tool that's really easy to fit, and I use them, as I say, pretty much every day in lighting and socket installations. So I've done a little video about me installing one, just showing how easy they are to use and how convenient they are, and thought I'd share it with you. As always, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more great videos coming soon. So there you go. As you can see, they're super easy and quick to install. Great for situations where you can't access junction boxes for maintenance. But actually, to be honest, I only use these as my junction boxes now as standard everywhere because they're just so quick and easy to fit. I've put a link in the description for if you want to know where you can buy these from. And as always, guys, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great videos coming soon.